You have gone to commercial. This is the one and only Bryn Park commercial. Action!
Hello there! Yes, welcome to Bryn Park in lovely, located in Hollywood and Circle, Minnesota. Yes, Circle, Minnesota. Great town, by the way. As you can see, we've just rebuilt this beautiful furniture for the children. Yes, the children indeed. I'm going to show you how it works.
Please stand by.
Wow! You're inside. Okay. Now, why don't we show you how the swings work?
New swings!
Hi guys. Yeah. Okay. Here are the swings.
Ow. Ow.
Here are the swings.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
I'm very
Ow.
happy to have you because this is our lovely children. Oh, they like to hang out, here in this lovely swing. It's so beautiful.
Hey, on with the next slide. Let's go.
We have lovely baby swings, where younger children hang out. It's really cold.
It's really warm outside. Look at that sun.
Now that I'm in the baby seat. Okay, we're done with the baby seat. Same thing as the swing, so okay, the straps them in. Great for holding
Hostage.
now. We're entering. Come back. Now we're entering the place where people climb. I'm not really going to go through that right now because I'm a little too cold to bend down.
Go in there and out. I barely got my hands, it gets really cold.
So let's pretend like you climbed through that tunnel. Okay, and now the grand finale.
Nolly.
I'm going to show you how this awesome slide works. It's called the Death Drop. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Death Drop. Please do not.
The Death Drop, the Drop, the Death Drop, the Death Drop, the Death Drop, the Death Drop. The Death Drop, the Death Drop, the Death, the Death Drop, the Death Drop, the Death Drop, the Death Drop, the Death, the Death Drop, the Death Drop, the Death. It must be cold way up there.
I know, I feel like I'm in Alaska.
The Death Drop, 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 the